welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and welcome to all the new subscribers. Welcome to the folks that are normally part of the channel. I appreciate you dropping in and giving me a few minutes of your day. So I have received the Villa Rosa patterns for the month of January. So wanted to open those and walk through those with you. So if you remember, for the month of December, one of the patterns that I received in the Villa Rosa box was Caledonia. And so the plan is in the next few days, I will actually be using the Gray Blush Fat Quarter Gems from, I think it's Wilmington Fabrics, to actually do this pattern. So look for a new video coming out. My plan is every month now to walk through the newest patterns from Villa Rosa, talk about them a little bit, and then the next month to stitch out at least one of those patterns. So let's jump in and see what has Villa Rosa sent us this month. I am a subscriber of Villa Rosa. I'm not supported by Villa Rosa. I purchase and buy these patterns just like anyone else does. If you choose and want to be part of their club, it's $8.95 a month. That includes postage. And you get 5 new patterns every month. Looks like this month we actually got 6. So, because I do pay for the additional add-on. So let's jump in and see what is the first pattern. So the first one is called Felicity. And it looks unusual. It is a pattern that can be completed with 9 fat quarters. It finishes out at 42 by 54 inches, and then of course has some binding on it. So I like this pattern. I can't say that I dislike it. Again, I'm not always a fan of some of the color choices and what they choose to put on the front, but it is a little bit different pattern, and I like the fact that it can be completely done with fat quarters. With that said, the next one is by Molly Cook. Molly Cook has designed and done a lot of patterns for Villa Rosa, and this one is called Gateway. And this one appears to be done with a panel. And so you need a panel, you do the sashing. It says you want themed fabric along with the ribbon, background, and binding. This finishes out 45 by 62. I am right now just over panels, and I'm trying to do less and less with panels, but Villa Rosa has really kind of pursued that, it seems like in the last year or so, and bringing us a lot more panel patterns. The third panel is by Heidi Cook for Villa Rosa. It's called Star Anise, and I do like this one really well. So if you're getting into looking for more patriotic, red, white, and blue, quilts of valor, quilts of honor, those type of things, this one definitely may be one that's worth taking a look at. It does use 3 different fabrics. This finishes out 58 by 58 inches. So it finishes out as a nice big square panel, which for me would end up making a wall hanging, pretty large wall hanging. But I really do like this, and don't mind the colors on there. I would change it. I'm not so much, I used to be a real fan of the creamy backgrounds in that versus the red, white, and blue. You know, a lot of it had become that red, cream, and blue. I'm kind of over that. I really do like this staunch red, white, and blue. The next one is by Rochelle, handmade, again for Villa Rosa. It is called Elroy. And this one finishes out 48 by 60. The main fabrics can be done with fat quarters, and then you need an accent and a binding to finish it out. It's a pretty cool pattern. It's very interesting if you look at the instructions on the back. It's definitely a more intricate design, but again, a little out of the box for Villa Rosa, because I think their patterns tend to always be pretty simplistic. So I kind of like the idea that they're growing and they're doing something a little bit tougher. The next one is Trisha Lynn Maloney, and she's over at Orphan Quilt Designs, again for Villa Rosa. This one's called Go Fish, And it looks like the old Go Fish crackers, right? I mean, so this is done with 6 fat quarters. It finishes out 46 by 52 inches. So that's a pretty cool pattern in itself. Again, you're starting to see more and more with Villa Rosa around half square triangles. And then the add-on that they actually sent this month, so some months they have add-ons, some months they don't, but the add-on for this month is Happy Hearts Pillow, again by Trisha Lynn Maloney, and it is a Valentine's pillow. Now, obviously, you could take this same pattern and build it out and make table runners out of it or other things, but this does finish out 18 by 18 inches and is designed and meant to be a pillow. So I think that's pretty cool. So pretty cute for Valentine's Day. That is one that I probably won't be working on. I am probably going to end up for the month of February working on Felicity. And so if you could see the back of it, there's some really cool things there. I'm not ready to jump into, like I said, I'm over panels. I really do like this star anise quilt as well, but I don't need another wall hanging at the moment. And Elroy actually has a lot more complexity to it that I'm ready for. So overall, I have to say I'm really happy with this month. There's, other than the panel, because I'm just kind of over panels for the moment, that's the only thing that I would say is not so crazy about it. But other than that, I think it's a great package. So again, for $8.95, I got 6 new patterns. Retail, that would be $12. So you save a little subscribing. And so how do you go wrong with that? So 6 more quilt patterns and add to my collection. So guys, thanks for dropping in. Thanks for giving me an opportunity to walk through the new patterns, give you my opinion on what's out there, what they look like. And I appreciate you being here and giving me your time. And as always, until next time, happy crafting!